Welcome back to Math Solver 1117, where maths become easy and fun. In today's video, we will solve Olympiad math problem, that is a plus b into a square plus b square equals 85 and a minus b into a square minus b square equals 45. And the condition for a and b is given that both belongs to positive integers and you have to find the value of a and b. So we will solve this question as first of all we will write this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Now we will divide the both equations. So a plus b, a square plus b square is divided by a minus b into a square minus b square, and in this side we have 85 by 45. Now we will solve this as first of all we will apply the formula of a square minus b square here. The formula is a square minus b square always equals a minus b into a plus b. So we get a plus b into a square plus b square, and this is divided by a minus b, and in place of a square minus b square we will substitute its formula, that is a minus b into a plus b. Now we will cancel out a plus b into a plus b, and 85 can be write as 17 multiply 5 and 45 can be write as 9 multiply 5. So we get a square plus b square and divided by this is 2 times, so a minus b whole square equals, in this step both 5 and 5 are cancelled out and we have 17 by 9. Now we will solve this further here and do the cross multiplication to solve this further. So by cross multiplication we get 9 is multiplied by a square plus b square and 17 is multiplied by a minus b whole square. So we get 9a square plus 9b square, and here we open the formula of a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square and minus 2ab. So we get 9a square plus 9b square equals 17a square plus 17b square minus 34ab equals 0. Now in the next step we will solve this further as we write 17a square plus 17b square and minus 34ab, and this is also subtracted, that is minus 9a square and minus 9b square equals 0. Now 17a square minus 9a square is 8a square plus 17b square minus 9b square is 8b square minus 34ab equals 0. Now in the next step we can take 2 as common from this. So we get 4a square plus 4b square minus 17ab, because we can take 2 as common. 34 is divided by gives 17 and this will equal 0. Now we will solve this further here as, so 2 is divided by 0, we get equation as 4a square minus 17ab plus 4b square equals 0. Now make the factors of 16 such that when they are added give 17. So 4a square minus 16ab minus ab plus 4b square equals 0. Now from this we can take 4a as common. So remaining is 4 only a. So remaining is a minus 4b. And from this we can take minus b as common. So remaining is a minus 4b. So we get two factors, 4a minus b and a minus 4b. And both are equal 0. So in the next step we will solve this here. So 4a minus b and the a minus 4b equals 0. So we write 4a minus b equals 0 or a minus 4b equals 0. So this implies 4a equals b and this implies a equals 4b. So these are the values. Now we will find the solution of this as do the verification. Take equation 1, put b equals 4a in equation 1. So a plus 4b means a is remain as it is and b equals 4a plus a square means a square and b square means taking the square of this, that is 16a square. Now that equals 85. So we get 5a into a square plus 16 is 17a square, that equals 85. It's mean that a cube 85, 17 5s are 85 equals 85, which implies a cube equals 1. So a equals 1. This is the value of a. So when a is 1, b will be 4. So we get the value that b is 4. So this is the first pair of a and b, that when we get. So from this, when a is 1, which implies that b equal 4 of a, 4 of 1 means 1. So we will write the answer here. A equals 1, then b equals 4. Now again we will solve this. Now put a equals 4b in equation 1. That gives 4b plus b and a square means 16b square plus b square equals 85. 4b plus b is 5b and 17b square equals 85. Now 17 5s are 85. B cube equals 85, which implies that b equals 1. So when b is 1, we get a equals 4. So it's mean when a is 4, b is 1. So these are the final answers. So we will write the solution here. So when a is 1, b is 4 and a is 4, then b is 1. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.